All right. One of the things that's important to note is that although we pay in many ways, one of them is 100%, right? A person can become a 100% affiliate. So every time someone's either passed up to you, you get 100% of whatever the transaction is. Or if you sponsor someone, right, that you keep, you get 100% of the transaction as well. What we did was in order for someone to become a 100% affiliate, they pay a one time a year fee, right? That one time annual fee is zero point zero 0.04. Once that is paid, you can be, if you pay zero point zero 0.04 every 365 days, just once a year, you can now get 100% of anything someone brings to you. So if you sponsor someone at the 1 Bitcoin level, 3, 5, or 0.5, doesn't matter what it is, you'll keep 100%. If in fact you are not a 100% affiliate, you still get to keep 40%, 60% will go to the company. So we encourage everyone, as soon as possible, generate some money with your done for you products, sponsor people at whatever level you're at, generate enough to get zero point zero 0.04 so that you can be a 100% affiliate. We call that being a premium member. Now, here's an advantage. As a premium member, you also generate a residual income from every time someone pays to stay active. Because remember, if they're not active, their money will get passed up. One of the things that we did was we said we want to give that to our premium members, to another income. When you're a premium member, you get an additional income, and here's what it looks like. Everyone that's sponsored or passed up to your first level, you get 5% of whatever they pay monthly. So imagine that. If in fact, when you have people who are on your second level of business that you sponsor, that means the people that you sponsor or that are passed up to them, you get 7% of what they bring in. 7% of what they pay. The third, you get 12%. Each level of business, as your organization grows downhill, you'll get paid higher percentages of the monthly. So now you're going to have a monthly residual income. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. On the fourth level, you get 18% of whatever is paid by the member. So when they pay 0.003, 18% belongs to you. Even if there's 300 people on that level, it doesn't matter. Every month, right? So every day you'll be getting these little driplets of Bitcoin. You won't know what they're from, but that's where they're going to be from. Some of you see that now. Now, on the fifth level, we give 25% of the monthly payment that is paid to you on that level. So if all the people that's on your fifth level, whether they're passed up there or sponsored there, when they pay their monthly, as a premium member, you keep 25% automatically deposited into your account balance, and then at the end of the night, it's paid out. Now, as I tell you that, I want you to take a look at what happens. Let's just say that everyone, say you want to, the average person might sponsor 5 people all year. Let's just say 5. You've done it. You've got your 5. You got 5 people, and if you note on your first level, you would generate approximately 0.0075. Doesn't sound like much. Now, if those 5 people sponsor 5, now you're generating 0.005 a month on this level, right? On the third level, you're generating 0.045, which is $450. Of course, plus the second level, plus the third. On the fourth level, you're generating, watch this now, 0.3, which is over $3,000 a month on this level in dollars. But Bitcoin, 0.3 Bitcoin on the fourth level. On the fifth level, you'll be generating 2.3 Bitcoin. In total, you'll be generating 2.7 Bitcoin per month. Now, that's almost $30,000 just with the average of everybody paying. Sponsoring only 5 people are getting passed up and having a total of 5 people. What happens is we know this because we've been doing this for 7 years. We have members who've been generating for years, have now organizations of 18 to 25, 30,000 people. Imagine what that looks like through the depths of getting paid large amounts of the residual amount so that someone stays active. Software needs to stay active. People that are using it want to. And you don't want to cut off what pays you. So this is another way that you're paid. Through being a premium member, you get a premium monthly income with it. This is Dwayne Golden. Take care.